Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are coming to Avantika campus to celebrate Garba. Right now we are inside the campus only, moving towards to the Garba celebration. Students are very excited after 2 years to celebrate Garba. We are also very excited to see how they will celebrate and all. And right now it is 7:45. We are planning to have long dinner over there only. So excited. Let's go. Guys, you can see how students are enjoying here. It's completely residential campus, and also it is a little isolated from the city area. Don't think we are not following the COVID protocol. We are following all the COVID protocol, and also in MP it's under control. All students are got vaccinated, and also they are not allowed to go outside. That's why it's more safer than other place.
Good evening everyone present over here. So since the last 2 days we've been having Garba with students here. I'm so glad to have the faculty and staff here today. So before starting, I'd just like to talk about Navratri for some time. Navratri is a very special festival. Every day has something significant.
Golden chance to dance. Please take part in the dance. I would like to request everyone, please leave your chairs and come for the dance.
तू नहीं था ना? हाँ।
सर आप गए
Guys, this is the right time to enjoy without any tension. We also did the same thing in our hostel life. If you miss this kind of happy moment, you will miss a lot, which will not get back in your future life. So, enjoy every moment which will remind you in your future life. Enjoy and go ahead, boys and girls. क्या चाहिए? फोटो चाहिए? हाँ? क्रॉप करना है? चलेगा, कर देंगे. रेडी? रेडी? No ready? Okay?